Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I want to teach you guys how I produce this wonderful face and body scrub. I will teach you how I produce this step by step. Then I will also teach you the importance of having a scrub and why you should use a face and body scrub on your skin daily. So I'll be teaching you how to produce a face and body scrub. Then I'll be also telling you the importance of having or using a scrub on your body. So this is how my scrub looks like. I made two colors, yellow and orange. So let's go there. Now this is my sugar. I'm using 1000 grams of sugar. You can know the weight by using a digital scale. Then over here is my oatmeal or Quaker oat. They are the same thing. I'm using 300 grams of oatmeal. Then this is my oil. I selected sunflower oil. I have my reasons why I use sunflower oil. I will tell you during the course of the video. Then over here is my honey. I'll also tell you why I made use of honey. And this is the fragrance. I want my scrub to have a sweet and lovely smell. Then over here is the color I'll be using. I'm making use of a yellow color, oil soluble. Now I'll be making use of an orange color, oil soluble. So I'm making an orange scrub and a over here is my sugar and Quaker oats or oatmeal. I've mixed them together already. You can see the sugar and the oat milk or oatmeal floating on top. That is Quaker oats and sugar. I'm mixing them together. Now, you need to understand why you should use a scrub. Most people don't know why they should use scrub on their skin. So I'm going to be explaining it while I'll be teaching you how to make it. So just listen. Now, this is what scrub does. So we have this type of skin. Every human being has this type of skin that produces dead cells over time. Every day our skin produces new cells and the previous cells dies. You get it? Our skin produces new cells and the previous cells dies. It happens spontaneously. It happens regularly. So it's not something that can be controlled. It's natural. So now those dead skin cells have to be removed out of the skin. If not, they will cause problems. Now let me explain the problems they will cause. If you don't get rid of dead cells from your skin, it will limit the workability of your product. Imagine that you got an organic soap or an organic cream or anything good that you want to apply on your skin for a particular purpose. If you have accumulated dead cells on your skin, those products will not work effectively. So most times people buy or purchase some good products, very good, that these products have had good reviews by others that have used this product, but they will end up using it and not get good results. This is because they have not exfoliated their skin to get rid of dead cells. Getting rid of dead cells will help your product work effectively. Don't forget, getting rid of dead cells enables your product work effectively and efficiently. Let's assume that you have issues with stretch mark, or you have issues with dark circles, or you have issues with sunburn, dark spots. Then you got a product to apply to solve those issues. You have to first of all use a face or a body scrub to scrub your skin in the affected area before applying those products you got, so that those products will work effectively. I hope I've been able to explain why you should exfoliate your skin with a scrub at least 3 times a week. Scrubs are very important. So learning this skill won't just give you money in terms of taking it as a business, but it will help you in terms of using it as a skincare routine at home. Scrubs are very important, so I just wanted to explain to you the usefulness of it. If you notice, I'm using two types of oil in this for this project or this video. I'm making use of yellow color and orange color. It's just that I want to make two colorful scrubs. It's not as if it's a must to use two colors. I just want to produce two colors. I want to produce a yellow color scrub, then I want to produce an orange color scrub. So if you have only one color, just work with only that one color you have, so that you will not think that it is a must to use two colors. I'm just telling you why I use two colors. It's because I want to produce two colors of scrub. Then if you observe, I selected a type of oil to make my scrub called sunflower oil. Now, when you are making your scrub, you have to use oils that fall under this category called non-comedogenic oils. Oils that fall under this category called non-comedogenic oils are oils that will not block your skin pores or will not clog your skin pores. Any oil that will block or clog your skin pores will lead to breakout, and you will have a lot of issues like pimples coming out of your face because you made use of a type of oil that blocked or clogged your skin pores. So always use oils that fall under this category called non-comedogenic oil. Example of such oil is the sunflower oil that I mentioned. Other oils that fall under non-comedogenic oils are the sunflower oil, jojoba oil, sweet almond oil. There are a lot of them, so you can simply check the internet and search for oils that fall under this category called non-comedogenic oils, so that you will select those type of oils to use for your face and body scrub. Then when making a scrub, you can choose to add things like honey or maybe aloe vera gel, any good thing that is pasty. You just add it inside. Why I chose to add honey in my own is that honey is very rich in terms of vitamins and nutrients, and is very good in moisturizing the skin. So I added honey in my scrub. But most importantly, don't forget the purpose of a scrub. Scrub helps to exfoliate your skin, and it gets rid of dead skin cells so that your products can work effectively. So if you want to learn more about scrubs, body creams, bath soap, laundry soap, organic soap, a lot of things, just check the description of this video. You will find the link. Simply click on it. It will take you to WhatsApp, where you can join my online classes that goes on WhatsApp, or you reach me on the phone number I have displayed on the screen of this video to be added to the class. If you have issues joining me through the link, then you can reach me on the number I have displayed on the screen. Reach me on WhatsApp through the number I've displayed on the screen. Let me add you to the group directly on WhatsApp. Then don't forget, I have ebooks for sale. My ebooks are very informative, very rich, and very, very educative. For those that will need ebooks, I have them for sale, and they are very affordable. They are not expensive. You can reach me on WhatsApp to purchase my ebooks. Thank you for watching this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you'll be updated on my new videos that I'll be dropping within the week, so that you'll not miss out. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to share this video with others that you think will want to learn how to produce scrub and start it up like a business, because you can actually start this up as a business and be selling scrubs, or you can choose to use it as your skincare routine at home. Don't forget, the importance of scrubs is for the removal or for the exfoliating of the skin, which will lead to the removal of dead cells. Thank you for watching, and see you all on my next video. Goodbye.